A drill machine is something which we often require to mount something on the wall, to assemble furnitures and many of the other home chores. But not everyone likes to call a technician for all these. In this video, I will be showing you a drill machine which you can use at your home very easily. This is Oni and I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Oni Online. Today in this video, I have a drill machine from an Indian brand called BuildSkill. Let's start with the unboxing, and post unboxing I'll test it on different surfaces and we'll check how does it perform. So let's start. I have purchased this drill machine from BuildSkill website itself, and you can see BuildSkill taping is all around. So just let me remove this outer wrapping and then we'll continue. This is the box pack, which is really a very minimalistic packaging, you can say, and only the BuildSkill logo is here. On this side we have the product information. So the MRP quoted on the box is rupees 1999 only, and this is a 300 watt drill and the maximum drill bit diameter is 10 millimeter. Model number of the drill machine is BED1100. Guys, here you can see the manufacturer address. This is a made in India product and the manufacturer is based out of New Delhi, as you can see over here. This is really good that we are not using any cheap Chinese product. So now let me just open the box and let us see what do we get inside the box pack. So this should be the user manual. Let's keep this aside. So this is the drill machine. The chuck is not pre-attached. We have to attach this with the drill machine. Here we have the chuck key. Okay, so let me just attach the chuck with the drill, and this is very easy. So this is how you can attach the chuck with the drill machine. Yes, and this is attached now. Build quality of the machine really feels sturdy and it seems to be a long lasting product. Here you have the trigger and this is the lock, as you can see. If you apply the lock, then the drill machine will continue to rotate, and just press the trigger once to release the lock. So the maximum RPM of the drill is 2600 rotation per minute. The maximum drill bit diameter is 10 mm, which it can accept, but on the drill itself it says it's a 350 watt motor, but on the packaging it was mentioned that it is a 300 watt motor. I think we should consider which is written on the drill machine itself. The build quality really feels sturdy and it seems to be a long lasting product. And here we have the BuildSkill sticker, which looks very nice. And guys, here we have the holder for the chuck key. You should always attach the chuck key with this holder so that we don't lose the chuck key. As you can see, this is now attached with the holder. But guys, there was no drill bit inside the box pack, so let me just get a drill bit and then we'll see how does it work. I have got a drill bit, and to attach this with the drill you have to adjust the drill jaw. With this chuck key you can do it very easily. As you can see, now I am just adjusting the jaw. So just let me attach the drill bit with this. So simply you rotate the chuck with this key and then insert the drill bit inside the jaw, and then you have to tighten the jaw with this chuck key. I forgot to mention something. So this part of the drill machine, this bluish one, this is made of plastic, and this part, this red and this grayish part, is made of metal, so which is a very good thing and gives this drill a very strong and sturdy build quality. If you can see the cable specification, this is a 7.5 square millimeter cable, which should be more than enough for a 220 volt 350 watt drill machine. I have connected the drill machine with a power plug, and as you can see, whenever you press the trigger it will start rotating, and you can also apply the trigger lock. As you can see, now it is just rotating. To release the lock you have to press the trigger again like this. So this is a very good feature they have added to the drill machine. Before we start with the testing guys, just let me tell you, this drill bit is an used one. No drill bit came bundled with this package, so I have to use this one only. I don't have another new drill bit. But anyways, let's check how does it work. I have a few materials with me to test the drill machine. Here is an wooden block. This is a piece of marble. This is a piece of brick. This is a piece of granite. This is a PVC bar, and here I have a metallic sheet. So now let's start one by one. So now let me test how it works against the wooden block. So I'm just starting it. So as you can see, it penetrates the wooden block very easily, and it was almost effortless. Let me test it on the wooden block again, and yes, as you can see, this is going inside the block and it made the hole almost effortlessly. Now let me try with the piece of marble, and as you can see, it is going inside, and yeah, it is working against marble also. So let me just do it again. And guys, as you can see, it is working, and we have made a hole over here, and I am holding it with one hand and operating the drill with another hand. So this is taking a bit of more effort, but I am pretty sure that if it would have been fixed somewhere, our job would have been more easy. Now let me do it with the piece of brick. As you can see, this is also going inside. If you can see, we have made a hole on the piece of brick, and it is working really good, considering it is not a hammer drill and the motor power is only 350 watt. So whenever you are drilling against very hard surface like brick, concrete, marble, granite or anything like that, so you would need the hammer drill functionality, which is not present in this drill, but still it is working really good, though it takes a bit of effort to make the hole. Let me try it on this piece of brick again, and guys, this is a very hard piece of brick, but still it is working fine, as you can see over here. And we are able to make a hole on this piece of brick, which is pretty deep, as you can see, and this is going inside. And the best part is, this is going inside without even having that hammer functionality. So this is really a good thing. Now let me check it on a PVC bar. As you can see, I have one with me. So yes, so let me show you again with the PVC bar. So yes, as you can see, on PVC bar it is working very nice, and it is penetrating the PVC bar without any effort. Now let me check it on this granite. So I am just trying to penetrate this. As you can see, we are able to make a small hole on this granite, but it is taking a lot of effort. And while trying to drill on this surface, I had poured a bit of water on this, so that made my job a bit easier. But guys, it is taking a lot of effort to drill on this granite surface. Trying to drill on this metal sheet. And guys, as you can see, I am able to make this hole on this metallic sheet. And guys, this is a metal sheet which is generally used for make the factory shades and all that purposes. And this is not a very thin sheet. I would say the thickness of the sheet is pretty decent. Guys, please do remember one thing. Whenever you are using any power tool, please use a pair of industrial hand gloves and an eye protection kit. That is very much important, and you should always remember that safety first. You have already seen its performance. It works very smoothly on wooden and PVC surfaces. It moderately struggles against these metallic sheets and brick, and it struggles a lot against granite and marble surface. Since this is a review, let's talk about the pros and cons now. So the build quality of the device feels very sturdy and it seems to be a long lasting product, and the device really provides a very good value for money. You are getting this device only for 750 rupees. This device comes with this trigger lock, so which is again very much helpful for the continuous drilling operation. The power cable of the machine is around 2 meters in length, so that is again a very good thing. Now let's talk about the cons of the device. This device doesn't come with a bundled drill bit, and I didn't like that at all. Also, the auxiliary handle is missing in this machine, and you cannot switch the direction of rotation or cannot control the speed. That means you cannot use it as a screwdriver. But guys, for the price point we cannot complain because we are getting it for a very low price. And guys, the hammer drill functionality is also missing here, which is very much required when you are drilling on the concrete surface, on marble or granite surfaces. For a price point of below 800 rupees, we cannot expect this screwdriver functionality and the hammer drill functionality. To conclude, we can say that this is a perfect drill machine for the carpenters and the people who are into manufacturing of PVC furnitures. And besides, it's a very good drill machine for the domestic uses. So guys, that's all for this video. If you have any question related to this video, please do let me know through the YouTube comment section below, or you can ask me directly through the Facebook page or the Twitter handle. If you have find this video helpful, please do hit the like button below. Also, don't forget to share this video, and if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe. So signing off. This is Oni, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.